Are you dreaming of owning property in Tulum but unsure where to start? As a foreigner, the process might seem overwhelming, but it's easier than you think. Stay tuned for this step-by-step guide, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert real estate tips in Mexico. The first step is to decide what type of property suits your needs, whether it's a luxury condo, a beachfront villa, or a jungle retreat. Work with a trusted local real estate agent who knows the market and can help you find the perfect fit. Since Tulum is within Mexico's restricted zone, within 50 kilometers of the coast, you'll need to purchase through a fideicomiso, a bank trust that allows foreigners to legally own property while enjoying full ownership rights. It's crucial to hire a local attorney to review contracts, ensure the property has a clear title, and handle legal documentation. This step is essential to protecting your investment. Once you've found your dream property, your agent will help you negotiate the price and guide you through the entire process. If you need financing, several financial institutions and developers offer options. The final step is closing the deal. In Mexico, a notary oversees the closing process to ensure everything is legally binding. Once the paperwork is complete, the property is officially yours. Buying property in Tulum as a foreigner is straightforward when you follow these steps and work with the right team. It's your ticket to owning a piece of paradise. Ready to start your Tulum property journey? Contact us today and we'll guide you every step of the way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on investing in Mexico.